Hello and welcome to day 6. Today we will learn how to filter data using the where clause, which lets us specify conditions. So let's say in our secular database, in our actors table, we just want the name of the actors with the last name Davis. So our secular database, don't forget we are still using our two database for this exercise. Use secular and then select from actor. If we just select from actor, we are going to have the whole of the actor table, but we are looking for a table where the rows are only having last name Davis. So where last name equal Davis, select from actor where last name equal David, where last name Davis. So we are selecting from this table, but we are looking for a table that has only last name Davis, and this is the last name. And then anytime you are using a where condition, make sure the string are inside this quote. Anytime you are using a string for a condition, make sure they are inside a quote. So let's run this query and see. So you could see this, only the rows where the last name is Davis appear. Only the names where last name Davis appear. That's the only rows that you see in this table because of this where condition. So select from the actor table where last name equal Davis. Now let's try and then switch to the second database. We are switching to the second database, which is world. Now what are we looking for? We are going to use the city table. Select from city. If we select from the table called city, you will see ID, name, country code, district, and population. But this time around, I want to select where population is greater than 1 million. Yes, the condition allows for greater than and less than also. Let's say, for example, I want a population greater than 1 million. You could see here 731,200, 127,800, but I just want where population, so I'm going to specify my condition equals 1 million. This time around it is actually a number, it is numeric, you don't need the code, only for string, but when it comes to number, you just write it directly. I just want my numbers to be above 1 million. Above means I'm going to use a greater than sign. Select from city where population is greater than 1 million. So you could see everything here is actually greater than 1 million just because of the condition. So this where that we just used today, this where clause, it helps us to target specific data. Here the data I'm looking for is last name Davis. Here I'm looking for population greater than 1 million. So don't forget to practice, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and let me know if you're having challenge with any of this. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.